Hello everyone, it's NADI, and today we'll be comparing these Kuckian Cosmetics shadows to these private labeled ones. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away, because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So we are back at it again with another installment into this Kuckian Cosmetics Saga. If you want to see any of the other videos that I've done regarding Kuckian Cosmetics, I will link you up above and down below. But this time we're testing these against the supposed private labeler Aurora. If you're new here, the first time we tested these out and the only time I ever put them on my eyes, they seemed beautiful, luxurious, no complaints except with the purple. It didn't blend out that well, but it was still so fucking gorgeous. But then my eyeballs swelled the fuck up. It took about a week and a half for everything to calm back down. Needless to say, I will never again be putting these on my eyes or anyone else's eyes for that matter. But like I said earlier, and I'll probably have to say this a million times throughout this fucking video, this is not a channel of shit talking or drama. I'm here for the cosmetics, not the creator. I do realize that a lot of shit has happened surrounding Kuckian, but it's really nothing that I personally want to get into. If you want to drink the tea, just Google Kuckian Cosmetics and a shitload of shit'll come up. Hell, I'll probably even pop up. That being said, let's hop into this bullfucker and have some fun. If I remember correctly, I think each shadow was like 70 to 80 cents, and then I did also order some lipsticks to compare to the Kuckian ones if they ever fucking show up, but those were $3 a piece. Not bad at all, so I'm like, damn, if these little bitches are good, I'm gonna have to order me a shit ton of them. So I take my 5 items total, 3 eyeshadows and 2 lippies, to my cart and whip out my wallet only to go into fucking cardiac arrest at the price of shipping. Ready? $35. $35. Granted, it was a flat rate shipping fee, so whether I ordered $800 worth of product or $8 worth of product, it would have been the same because private labelers are kind of expecting you to make large quantity purchases. So moral of the story, if these little titties are good or, you know, don't burn the fuck out of my eyes and you want to order them, only get them if you're going to order a large quantity of them because otherwise the shipping will fuck you over and not in the fun way. And if you do order from them, they have so many different things to choose from. So in all honesty, if you want a lot of shadows, ordering from this place could end up saving you quite a bit of money if you don't care about the bigger companies stamping their name on it before you buy it. But before we get even further into this, please let me know down in the comments below if there's any other brands you'd like me to compare these to, because I was just looking down in my makeup bin and I came across this Blink palette, and look at how fucking similar these two bitches look. Like, those two look so fucking close. Just for shits, let's go ahead and swatch these both. Oh my fucking god. Oh damn it, my Kuckian one just kind of split in half. I mean, I did drop it that first time we tried it, but damn, that shit is sensitive as fuck. Anyway, on the middle finger is the Kuckian one, and ooh, fuck yes. Those are actually both very pretty. And oddly enough, very similar. The only difference is that the Blink one does not burn my eyes. So if you want this pretty but still kind of basic ass red and you don't want your eyes to sting like a fucker, definitely check out Redoni by Blink. They both even have the same kind of bluish shift to them. I don't know, I really like them. I know a lot of people were saying there's quite a few dupes to this orange and this purple, so let me know down in the comments below, give this video a thumbs up, and we can keep playing the makeup version of Sherlock Holmes. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's open this little guy up and see if they are indeed the Kuckian ones. Ready? Ooh, those are really pretty. But unfortunately, they are not the same at all. Like, these purples are totally different. I have no idea if you can see this at all, but this one is kind of like a lavender, and this one is a really, really deep, rich purple. Both really pretty, but not the same. These two are a little bit closer, but again, they're not the same either. And these two were apparently supposed to be the same, but that is way fucking off. Ooh, but they did give me an extra shadow. That was very nice of them. It only cost me $45. But there you go. Since we know these aren't the same, I will see you later. I'm just kidding. Of course we'll swatch and do a look with these bitches. You guys know the song. You ready? It's swatching time. Alright, let's go ahead and do the purples first. On my pointer finger is the Kuckian one, which I'm pretty sure we can all tell because it is much darker. Actually, on camera, they really don't look that different. I mean, you can definitely tell this one is a bit more pink, but when I blend this one out, they honestly turn the same color. Huh, how about that? I mean, clearly they are different, but they're also very similar. Really hope it doesn't burn my eyes because that was a twaticus to the Maximus to deal with. Next up, we have the reddish ones, and once again, the Kuckian one is on my pointer finger, and ooh, those are so pretty, and they are both buttery as fuck. But the Aurora one is definitely brown and the Kuckian one is red. Otherwise, texture, pigmentation, everything feels the exact same. Honestly, they are both so fucking pretty, but I'm really regretting not ordering more of these Aurora shades. They are just so nice. Like, look at how much is left on my finger of both products. Like, I could do a whole nother swatch. Damn. And lastly, we have the oranges, which we all know are very different. Oh, damn, those actually complement each other really, really nicely. Like, if I wanted to go blind, I would totally do a look look using both of these, but since I need my eyesight to edit this video, I ain't gonna risk it for the biscuit. But these are both beautiful shades, though for quality and consistency, I definitely picked the Aurora one. This one is just kind of patchy. Alright, so we know that these really are not the same as the Kuckian Cosmetics one, but I still want to try them out, do a wear time test with them and a look, so let's go ahead and jump into that. For foundation, I'm going in with a few pumps of this North Skin foundation in the shade Siri 210. Oh, and this one comes with a nice little mirror, very much unlike the ones that I paid $5 a piece for. Although, these didn't come with a double-ended padded brush. Oh my god, I crack me up, I am such a bitch. And then for concealing and highlighting, I've been in love with this ColourPop concealer in the shade Beige 25. I just do 2 layers of it. And then I like to kind of tap it in with one of these oval brushes, use it almost as a beauty blender. Basically my way of not getting off my ass to go wet my beauty sponge. And one more layer just for shits and giggles. Then to set that and catch any fallout we may have from eyeshadow, I'm just gonna place some Ben Nye Banana powder right under here. Alright, my eyes have been primed and I'm just gonna tell you now, we are gonna keep this shit simple. So to start off on a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with Duchess by Winky Lux, and we're gonna place that everywhere all over the eyelid. And what the hell, let's go ahead and highlight the brow with it too. With that same brush, I'm gonna dip into the color right next to it, which is Strut, and we're gonna place that right here all along the crease. And we'll gently blend that back and forth, making sure that there really aren't any harsh edges. Next, on a smaller brush, I'm gonna dip into this plummy kind of purple right here. This is Cheshire. And let's go ahead and build up the outer corner and the crease. And once it's on the crease, I'm gonna drag it around to the inner part of the eye, totally ignoring the middle, kind of creating a spotlight. Next, I'm gonna take some of this redishy brown color right on my finger, and I'm gonna start in the middle and kind of work it around. Oh, damn, this shit is so nice. I really should have ordered more colors. And right in the middle, I'm gonna dab a teeny tiny bit of that purple, not very much at all, just enough to kind of differentiate between the inner and the outer corner. And we'll go ahead and wipe the dust from underneath the eyes. For the under eye, I'm gonna go back in and smoke out some of this plum. And over that, a little bit of brown. And for mascara, I'm going in with this Dior Pump and Volume. I fucking love this stuff. And let's go in and contour a little bit. For that, I'm just using the NYX Pro palette. For lashes, I'm going in with Forever Luxe in the style Dreamer. I do like the looks of a lighter nude lip, but I think we're gonna be bold and try Yves Saint Laurent in the shade 212. I don't know, this might look terrible. No. Instead, let's go in with Jeffree Star's Birkin Suede. Oh my, that is very nude. Fuck, I didn't like that either, so I'm topping it off with this AOA Studio in the shade Latte. I got this from Shop Miss A. It was only like $1, but fucking adore this. There we go. For highlighter, I'm going in with this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and we'll just put it right there on the cheekbones. I don't see anything. Was not feeling that, so instead I'm going over that with PopLuxe Cali Life, and there we go. And here we are with the final look. Everything is so fucking comfortable. I dare say even more comfortable than the Focallure ones that we tried last week. These shadows are nothing like the Kuckian ones at all. Like, these feel so nice on my eye. Really, the only thing I can feel is my eyelashes. I do only have about 2 hours to do a wear time test with these, but it is a wear time nonetheless, so I will see you in just a second. And we are back. It has been a little bit over 2 hours. I just watched a couple episodes of Black Mirror, and this season is just, What isn't, however, is these eyeshadows. I fucking love them. They are staying put amazingly. I know my little eyelash is falling off. We can ignore that, but these eyeshadows are so fucking good. If you're wanting to buy a shit ton of eyeshadows and you're willing to pay that shipping price, definitely recommend them. But are they the same as the Kuckian ones? Not at all. With creaminess and pigmentation, they are somewhat similar, but overall, these are just so much higher quality. Before we close, I do have one quick thing to say, and no, I'm not giving in to any of his drama, because this is a channel where I try my hardest to disassociate the people behind the product from the product. But I do want to say this about people in general. This whole cosmetic line, it just goes to show that you have to put out into the world what you want to get back in return. For a long time, his whole YouTube career has been based on negativity and drama and trying to figure out how he can bring people down. And when he tried to take a break from that for a minute and launch his own cosmetic line, what was the first thing that people who know of him did? They thought, how can we try to bring these down? Like, having a cosmetic line is an amazing opportunity to bring beauty into the world. And instead, this line is filled with allegations of illegal ingredients and ingredients that actually burn my eyes. And so much he said, she said that this beauty line is anything but beautiful now. People are less interested in the products and more interested in the drama surrounding them. And it's funny because he's probably sitting in his chair laughing it up, flipping everyone the bird, because a lot of these allegations haven't been correct at all. They are not repackaged from this AliExpress brand, they're not made by this private labeler, but because of the content he creates, digging into people's lives, finding the negativity, that's what people are doing to him. And though I do not support anyone being negative to anyone, I gotta say, karma's a bitch. And it also doesn't look good when the products in question makes your eyeballs swell up. All I can say is put out into the world exactly what you want, because more often than not, that's what you'll get in return. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which just changed from black to white, is available at thepopluxe.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialNADI, and you can follow me online at thepopluxe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.